Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own AI tools but thought it was too complicated, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI tools in just one click. Yep, you heard that right. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. You don't need a PhD in computer science or a ton of coding experience. Here's a quick list: a computer or laptop, an internet connection, access to an AI tool platform, like OpenAI, Hugging Face, or similar, a pinch of creativity. Got that? Great! Let's move on. Now, let's choose our AI tool platform. I recommend checking out Insert Platform Name. It's user-friendly and offers a variety of templates to get you started. Let's hop onto their website. Once you're here, you'll see a bunch of options. Pick one that suits your needs, like chatbots, image generators, or data analyzers. Alright, we've chosen our platform. Now comes the fun part, customizing your tool. Most platforms have templates that you can tweak with just a few clicks. For example, if you're creating a chatbot, you can choose the personality, set up responses, and even add some fun facts. Just fill in the fields, and voila! You're one step closer. Now for the moment of truth. Once you've customized your tool, look for the Create or Launch button. This is the part where you click and watch the magic happen. And there you go. Your AI tool is now ready to use. Isn't that easy? But wait! Don't just leave it hanging there. You'll want to test it out. Interact with your tool and see how it performs. Make sure to tweak it if needed. And there you have it. You've just created your very own AI tool in one click. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating, and stay curious. Bye!